Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is MarioNFT, and today I'm going to be going over two sales that are very high in profits. And I'm kind of just going to go over a little bit just how being involved in the NFT space and a little bit of luck here. So yeah, let's just get started. First one was a crypto bat by Ozzy Osbourne. To be able to even get on the allow list, they were actually running giveaways through various projects. So you had to actually be a token holder and then participate in the giveaway or whatever. They might have a contest. Right, there's several different ways that they did this to give them away. And so Metaverse HQ is a project that I got in a while back when the floor was 0.12. Again, Mike, he told me to save my ETH. He wanted me to keep flipping, so he actually purchased one for me. So yeah, I'm still in that Discord today. Floor is very high now. I should have definitely bought a few of myself. And here's the CryptoBats Twitter. It was, yeah, so it's officially made like by Ozzy Osbourne and Shutter Systems. I went in the Metaverse HQ Discord, clicked on a little emote because I was a holder, and I was lucky to win a allow list spot. So my mint price was 0.088, and then because I wasn't competing versus anybody, for like there was no gas wars, my transaction fee ended up being 0.021. And then so I minted it, and then here's my sale. And then we can see over here actually. That was my mint price. And then how much estimated value today. So let's go on that day, current value, estimated value on day of transaction. So, and then that would be the fiat value in USD. So I purchased this on January 20th and sold it by February 1st. And I received 2.07 ETH. OpenSea received their royalty of 0.23, which is also split. So that's the royalty fees going to Shutter System and Ozzy Osbourne and their team, and then OpenSea gets their 2%. So yeah, that was obviously a huge gain. The math on that was I spent $328 after the royalties and the OpenSea fees. I cleared $5,775.61. And now the next one was because I was part of the VFriends, so I actually own a VFriends. I own the Tenacious Termite. This allowed me to get an allow list spot for the Stapleverse. As long as you went on their website and signed in before like a specific date, you were entered into the allow list. Now the mint price for that one was 0.01, and the transaction fee was 0.011. And then, so the reason why I got very lucky with the Stapleverse mint in particular is because I actually ended up pulling a rare. It was in the top 3%. Yeah, so I was able to maximize that one. So here's my sale. So this is how much it cost on that day. So total $344 USD, which was purchased on January the 19th. So actually a day before the CryptoBat. And then I sold this one on January the 29th. So I have this backwards. Yes, I do. So this one was on January 29th that I sold it. Sold it for 2.75. I got to keep 2.4. OpenSea collected a 2%, as well as Jeff Staple and their team collected the 0.34. So that was after royalties and OS. I cleared $6,273 American. So with those two flips combined, that was $11,376 just with two flips, which is 14,455 Canadian. Yeah, insane amount of money, especially in the time frame, right? It was in about a week with those two sales. So again, this is just another example of what's possible out there. I hope you enjoy it. I appreciate all the likes, subs, comments, and feedback. And I just wanted to say thank you so much. I broke 100 subscribers, and I finally get a custom link, so now I can share my channel a lot more professionally. So I definitely appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. Have a great day.